Good morning, children. Are you all fine? Well, let's get into today's class. Today, our topic is abacus. How to draw the abacus. Now, number given time, we can draw the abacus. Okay, now in this class, we can learn how to draw the abacus. So, now first all of you take your classwork. Take your classwork, all of you, and draw the margin with the pencil. Draw the margin with a pencil and write today's date. Today's date 22/9. Okay, write date and draw the margin. Now in down here write innings 1.1. In last class, in first bit we are discussing in the textbook. So now in second bit I would like to explain in your classwork. So all of you take your classwork. Draw the margin and write today's date 22/9 and write the heading innings 1.1. And here second bit, already first bit we can done in textbook. So now I am going to second bit. Write down represent, write with pen. All of you must and should write with classwork and homework, write with pen. Okay, so now take your pen and write the question. Represent the following numbers on abacus. Okay, so now here number given. Now we can draw the abacus. Here what is the number given here? 4521. So now this number represented on the abacus. So now first I draw the abacus frame. Okay, so now take your pencil, all of you. Take your pencil and draw the lines. Like this. And here, okay, this is the abacus frame. In this abacus frame, here how many numbers given here? 4 numbers. So now I draw the in middle 4 lines. First 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, use the scale. Use the scale. First here draw the line and here draw the line and again here draw the line and here also draw the line and join the lines, and then after middle draw the 4 lines. Okay, now here first take your pencil, all of you, and here write the place values. Place values small ones, tens, 100, 1000. So now again I am writing here place values. So now this box total you can draw with pencil. Draw with pencil, and lines also you can draw with pencil. And here write the place values also with the pencil. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay, understood? This total box and here place values you can write with pencil. Here also place values you can write with pencil. You can write with a small letter. Why? Because this is for your understanding purpose. But this is not you, no need to write, but your wish. Okay. Now in ones place, how many numbers are there? Only 1. So now here I draw the 1 bead. Okay, understood? So now these beads you can draw with pen. Okay, understood? Next. Here in tens place, how many numbers are there? 2. So now here draw here 2 beads. Understood? Next. Here a hundreds place, how many beads are there? How many which number having here? In hundreds place, which number having here? 5. So now I am draw here 5 beads in hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now in thousand place, what is the number having here? 4. So now in thousand place I draw here 4 beads. Okay. So now this is the number. Okay. This is the number and this is the abacus. So understood? Represent the following numbers on abacus. Already I represent the numbers on abacus. Okay. Enough, very easy, no? So now I am going to second problem. B bit. So now you can write this finished after you draw the line, and second bit you can write here, but here this is not visible for you, so that's why I am writing inside, but you can write in down. Okay. So now second bit 7037. 7037. First, here I take a scale and draw the lines straightly. Okay. Here also I draw the line, and join the lines. Okay. Okay. Now this is the frame. Next, here middle 4 lines. Use the scale, with pencil you can draw the lines. Okay. Now here I am writing here place values, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So now here write the place values with the pencil. This diagram you can draw with the pencil, and here also write the place values with the pencil. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay, understood? So now in ones place, what is the number having here? 7. So now here I draw the beads here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood? Next, here in tens place, what is the number having here? 3. So now here I draw the 3 bits. Here hundreds place, any number is there? No. Is there? What is the number? 0. So no 0 for no bits we can draw. Okay, we cannot write. So now here in 1000 place 7. Now I draw the here 7 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood? So now here hundreds place only 0 given, no 0 for no, we didn't draw any bits. Okay. So now here we can draw like this. These are the abacus. Okay. Number given time we can draw the abacus like this. Okay. Understood? So all of you write in your classwork. And one more problem, C bit also now I am explaining. C 1008. 1008. First I draw the abacus. Here draw the box. Here 2, 3, 4. Okay. I draw the lines here, 4 lines. Okay. Now I am writing here place values. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000. Okay. Here also ones, tens, 100, 1000. So now in ones place, what is the number having here? 8. Okay. So now I am drawing here 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in tens place, 0. In hundreds place, 0. In 1000 place, 1. So now this is the abacus. Okay. Now given number given time we can draw the abacus like this. Okay. Understood all of you? So now all of you close your classwork and take your homework book, all of you. Take your homework book. Take your homework book, all of you, and write the question. Represent the following. First, draw the margin, and here today's date, compulsory. You can write today's date, and here write the question. Second, first bit already yesterday over. Now today second bit. In that second bit, write the question. Represent the following numbers on abacus. On abacus. So now here I given here two problems. Okay, 9,900, 6,252. Now we draw the abacus and draw the bits. Okay, understood? And the classwork how I am explaining, same as it is, you can write in your homework book. Okay, understood all of you? And draw the abacus with neatly with use the pencil and use the scale and draw the abacus with neat handwriting. Okay, and write today's day. Today's day, Tuesday. Take your diary, all of you. Take your diary and write day, Tuesday, and date 22/9, today's date. And write maths diary work. Do given problems in homework. What are the problems given in your homework book? These two problems given in your homework book. So this finished after you can write these two problems in your homework book and write the answers and take photo and send it to your concerned WhatsApp group. Thank you.